This is our August door lock system. As you can see, it shows unlocked and locked. This little tab right here shows that it's in the unlocked position. If you want to manually lock it, simply just turn the dial to where it says locked. If you want to manually unlock it, just twist it back to unlocked. There's no need to overturn the dial. When you want to leave and lock the door behind you, just close the door and make sure you hear a little click, and then simply press the red button and you'll hear a door chime. And that's it.